Hey lovelies and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and today's video is a Polygel review of the Makartts Jelly Nail Extension Gel Kit. Sorry, I'm reading the title. So the box come a little bit bent, but you can't help it traveling so far and through different places and customs and stuff like that, so but I'm just quickly showing you the box because the box is too big to fit in the camera frame on my desk. So I actually done this on the floor, but don't worry, I do show you one thing at a time. But this is how it is packed and how it comes packed. And now we're jumping onto my desk. So it comes with a 100 and 180 grit file, a top and a base coat, your spatula javelin tool, which is your brush and picker. It comes with packing powder that you just push out and clean out. 2-in-1 nail surface cleaner, which also acts as slip solution, some jewel forms, and 6 15-gram coloured polygels, but they're jelly, so they're see-through. Then obviously instructions come with it as well. Now all the polygel comes sealed, which is great. The polygel itself is very sheer, but I know it's jelly, so of course it's sheer, but I found it was very, very sheer. But these are the swatches. Yeah, I didn't bother doing it all on camera, I didn't think you needed to. So I do make some press-ons today off of my nail stand, and these were out of one of my kids' slime kits. So I stole some sequins, but shh, I won't tell them if you don't. So I'm applying a layer of base coat onto the nails. I didn't bother buffing them because I was being lazy. But yeah, so yeah, just applying a layer, and then I cure for 60 seconds in my nail lamp. No, sorry, no, scratch that, no, ignore, I said I put a layer, and then I start pressing in the sequins. I think I show you about 3 nails. I don't do all 5 on camera because I didn't see the point in doing it. But I just use my rhinestone picker tool thing. I swap it out because this one is for some reason not working. Like, it's working, but like the gel was sticking to it through the thing. So I got my wax pencil that I got off of eBay. I got 2 for $1.25, which is a bargain, and they took ages to come, but you know, I don't care. They were only pencils, so I actually forgot I ordered them, and then I remembered I ordered them and I was going to get a refund, and then I was like, oh, I can't get a refund until like this certain date, so I left it, and then one day it just randomly came and I was like, oh, okay. I thought, I don't remember ordering 2 pencils. Oh wait, they're wax pencils. So yeah, I just pushed these sequin glitter things into the wet base coat, and then I cure for 60 seconds. So it's pretty easy, pretty simple. This design, guys, could probably do it with your eyes. I wouldn't recommend doing it with your eyes closed, but you could probably do it with your eyes closed. Maybe not, but yeah, know what I mean. It's pretty simple. So yeah, just a few like stars, hearts, swirls, butterfly. I think there was only 1 butterfly in this set. Some like 4-leaf clovers, and there they are. So I just stick them into the nail lamp, and then when they come out, I oh, apparently I'm showing you that I pour some slip solution into a bowl, and I'm using the pink brush just because I don't want to like dirty more brushes than needs be. Like, this one's working fine, so yeah, no, gonna use it. I think I stuck the wrong nail on the wrong hand because apparently the blue was on the inside. They still look fine. So I just done half and half. I done the toothpaste method by squirting out some polygel onto the nail, and I just work it together so it's half and half. I do this for the middle finger and the ring finger. I do the index finger completely blue, and then I do the pinky finger completely pink. I use the mauve and is it? I think it's Celeste. I think those are the 2 that I use. And then on my thumb, I go in with that lemon Chivon. And guys, I'm not the biggest fan of the yellow, but the other ones are really nice. Like, the yellow just looks more like cloudy homemade lemonade. I don't know. You know, Tesco's does that cloudy lemonade. That's what it looks like, and I wasn't happy completely about the thumb. I wish I'd just done it like another colour, but I just wanted to give the yellow a try because it was cloudy on the swatch, and I thought, you never know. But no, it's quite cloudy. Like, you can see things through it, and it would probably look nice as a full set of yellow if that's the cloudy sort of thing that you're going for, but it's not jelly, which is quite disappointing, but other than that, you know. But the other four fingers are very nice. So, the Polygel was really, really easy to work with. It was really, it was firm, but it was soft. As I say all the time, it was just as Goldilocks would say, it was just right. It wasn't too sticky. There were some bits that were sticky that I had to get some alcohol on, but it was nowhere near as sticky as the nude Polygel that I've tried. There was a few hairs, that was my fault. Don't blame the Polygel. That was all me. So yeah, it was pretty easy to work with. I think the set took me like 30 to 40 minutes in total because I was working on a stand and not on my hand, so it was really quick. And then at the end I do stick them onto my, what are they called? My natural nails, but I don't show on camera me sticking them on. So obviously if you do want to make some press-ons with Polygel, you could put anything on press-ons, by the way. You can just literally buy some nail tips, full cover nail tips, and then just put whatever you like on it. You don't even have to put anything on it. If you want the clear tip, you can have the clear tip. Like, honestly, you'd be fine. When sticking them down, you just push back your cuticle and take away any of the dirt and dead skin. You buff this natural shine away. I would recommend dehydrator and primer before you apply any glue or builder gel, depending on the method that you want to stick them down with. If you want them to last longer, I would suggest builder gel because they do last longer. I had them a set on for 2 weeks and they were on until, well, they were on for 2 weeks and then I took them off because I wanted to change them. But if they are fully opaque, I wouldn't use builder gel and I would use nail glue because obviously the light can't penetrate through. So it's basically for like clear tips. But yeah, this was a really easy set to do and it was really pretty, and you know, it was kind of hard to file because it was on stands with blue tack, but I did file it. And I cured each for 60 seconds in the nail lamp, and then I put a top coat on after I'd filed. Obviously wiping away that sticky tacky layer, guys. Always remember to wipe that away because it will be a nightmare to file and stuff like that, and dust will get sticky and you just don't want that. Yeah, top coat, and then I cured again for 60 seconds, and then like I said, I glued them on, and that was pretty much it, guys. I don't think I have anything else to say, but yeah, this Polygel is great. The kit is great, apart from, like I said, the yellow, which I was quite disappointed about. But hey ho, what can you do? Oh, another thing I've done as well, in case you guys want to do it also, is I painted the underside with a layer of top coat as well. I flipped my hand over and painted the underside purely because they're jelly, so you want them to be clear through the tip. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea, but I enjoy doing this, so. And I like the clear sort of, do you know what I mean? You know, when I love the jelly sort of look, and I love like sequins and glitter in them and stuff like that. I should have put glitter in these. Never mind. But here's that yellow one. So yeah, I wasn't too happy about it, as you can see, and I put it on the thumb, the biggest finger on my hand. But yeah, other than that, guys, I'm going to just let you watch, and I'm going to love and leave you. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Sorry, I had a brain fart then because I'm watching my application of that yellow. Yikes. But yeah, guys, if you did enjoy, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and keep on smiling, stay safe, and I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye.
Bye.